What if I just told you that I found the penny stock that's about to move 300 to 400% up? Now there's a big chance of this with this stock that I just found, and I would be telling you guys about this opportunity in the video. And first I want to give a big shout out to Big Blue Empire on Twitter. Make sure to give him a follow. He brought this stock up to me and asked what I thought, and I found some big opportunities and are very excited with this stock. So let's get into the video and let's get into this huge opportunity that may multiply our portfolios. So what is this stock with this huge opportunity? This stock is Tomi Environmental Solutions, ticker symbol TOMZ. So this stock is pretty much at all-time highs. It's up 1,000% year to date. Second of all, I'm going to be getting into what this company is and why I believe that this stock could have a huge move in the coming weeks. Before I get into a lot of detail, I'm going to let you guys know exactly what this company is. It's very simplified. So it's pretty much this big sprayer that you carry around. It dries super quickly. You can spray this on food. You can spray it on subways, stadiums. You can spray it anywhere. It's super safe for the environment. It dries super quickly. They're going to use this in schools, government facilities, subways, stadiums possibly, casinos, hospitals, ambulances. Those are just a few of the possibilities and what they plan to do with this product. And just reading what this product does, the sales numbers that this company has, it's insane that this stock has not popped up huge yet. Now it is up a good percent. I do think this should be a $2 stock at the least right now, and easily $3 stock in my opinion. So let's get into some more of what this company does. So Tomi uses the SteraMist technologies. They use multiple industries, different needs for the same solution. As you can see, this company website and its innovative technology offering a wide range of decontamination products and services designed for global infection control, which currently we're in a global pandemic. This is the perfect time, the perfect use for this product. And just looking into this product, we need this pretty much everywhere. So these are the different divisions in the company. You got the hospital healthcare, the life sciences, the TSN, and the food safety. And this product does not contaminate the food. It is very safe to use. So here's a few of the products that they sell. They have the SteraMist Surface Unit, the SteraMist Environment System, the custom SteraMist options, and Tomi's validation methods, how big of a sprayer that you need. So you can pretty much pick how big of a sprayer that you need. So how expensive is this product? Their basic ionization product is selling for $23,000. Huge profit margins on this one. These products are used globally. They're expanding as we speak. So where they're located at? Tomi has registrations in the US and internationally. Currently they have secured an application pending for about 35 trademark registrations and over 40 design and utility patents globally. Tomi is the sole source provider in the United States, so they're the leader of this market, the leader of this class. And they have partners located in Asia, South America, and Europe. So what makes this product better than other products? Why would people spend $23,000 on a product like this? Let's look at some of the advantages. So some advantages of SteraMist over competitors. There's no mixing required, no hazardous DOT restriction, and no special storage requirements. So yeah, this is obviously an amazing product. What I'm playing with this is I'm hoping for a PR where they just talk about how good they're doing. Recently they talked about this first 6 weeks in Q2, which I'll show you guys the video in a second of what the CEO says. So for those science stars out there, I'll show you guys what this product is and how it acts real quick. I throw it on the screen. Make sure you pause the video if you want to do, because I'm just going to move through this fast. I'm an investor, not a scientist. Anyways, this product is in such high demand, they're having to expand their business. They just added another manufacturer to their facility to pretty much make as many of these SteraMist equipment products as possible. So like I was talking about earlier, the CEO came out 6 weeks into Q2. I believe this was posted on May 22nd. But 6 weeks into Q2, he came out and said in these 6 weeks, they were way over the 2019 totals. So for the 52 weeks in 2019, they're already beating that in 6 weeks in 2020, which is insane. They're just growing, and the earnings are going to be insane for this company. So let's take a look at that video.
All of our last quarter revenue, all of our last year's total revenue, potential revenue, as of the end of last week, was $5,414,000 of invoiced and shipped, and $3,392,000 of open orders, which is approximately $8,806,000. To phrase it another way, in just 6 weeks, Tomi has booked revenues greater than any of our previous 12-month total revenues. This is after our amazing first quarter results.
As you guys saw, that CEO was obviously very confident in their sales numbers. For those wondering, the earnings date was expected to be on August 24th. As of now, So August 24th is going to be when we realize the exact numbers of the total Q2 earnings, which I believe are going to be crazy high. And in Q1, they beat their 2019 totals as well. So let's take a look at these earnings numbers of Q1. As you can see, their first quarter revenue of $7 million eclipsed the total revenue of the full calendar year of 2019. They had year-over-year in general revenue to date, 496%. Year-to-date growth in equipment and solution revenue, 485% and 933%. They sold 241 machines to date in 2020, which they sold 241 in just quarter one, which is representing a 551% increase compared to Q1 of 2019. And finally, they sold 16,000 gallons of solution to date, which is 834% more than Q1 of 2019. So obviously quarter one numbers were insane. That's what made the stock originally pop. I think quarter two numbers are going to double this and possibly have a revenue of 20 million. So another thing that makes me very excited about this company is the low float. So let's talk about what float is for a second. Float is the number of shares available to sell. So a bunch of these big companies have billions and billions of shares that's available to investors. So one investor may have 500,000, another one may have 10,000, and these are scattered throughout the whole world. So for this company, there's only 82.19 million shares available, which is a super low float. This means that each movement, each big buyer, this moves the stock a crazy amount. So compared to Amazon, where 1,000 buys of shares would barely even move the stock, spending the same amount of money for this stock, this would move an insane amount. So lower float is more risky, of course, because it can go down just as fast as it can go up, but this can also skyrocket the stock that much faster, which equals why penny stocks are such high upside, such low downside. Guys, the pure upside of this company is insane. This is now competing with Kronos as one of my favorite penny stocks to buy right now. And personally, I believe that these virus preventative stocks are the move currently. Kronos, which filters air, and Tomi, which sprays down and cleans. These two are such huge plays on virus preventative stocks and have the most upside of any stocks in the market, in my opinion. So I will heavily be investing in Tomi personally. Always do your own research, but I do plan to accumulate around 1,000 shares or so. I currently have about 22,500 shares of Kronos. I do plan on increasing, and I am up about $400 in that position. And the fact that I am increasing, that just shows how purely confident I am in these positions. So something that I always analyze while buying and selling penny stocks is what's the risk reward? Is it worth it? So let's look at this stock. This stock, Tomi, probably has a 50-50 shot of either going up or going down. If it goes down, how far is it going to go down? It's going to drop 10-20% at the most, in my opinion. Now, if this stock goes up, this is going to increase 200, 300, 400%. It has a chance of all of that. That is actually realistic for this stock. So you can never buy into a stock without risking your money, of course. You always got to look at the risk reward. Are my possible gains more than my possible losses? And this stock, in my opinion, is so great on the risk reward ratio. That is why I will be making such a big position. I am so excited about this opportunity, and you guys always make sure to do your own research, do your own due diligence. Just letting you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to buy this stock. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts on this stock, information on this stock, so you can go do your own research, and just letting you guys know that I personally am buying and not telling you guys to buy. Once again, another shout out to Big Blue Empire. Great find, my bro, and hopefully we make some crazy gains on this stock. If you want to get 2 free stocks on Webull, one of these stocks is valued from $12 to $1,400. I highly recommend you get that free money. Also, if you want 1 free stock on Robinhood, the link is down below as well. If you're interested in becoming a member of the private stock group, the link is at the top of the description. I post my portfolio update every single day. We're a community of over 900 investors. We all find the best catalysts, the best opportunities, and the best stocks to trade in the market, and we just make some crazy gains together. And also, every time I buy and sell a stock, I send messages letting you guys know the moves that I just made. It's usually about 10 to 20 times per day. Just all of my crazy moves that I make, all of my risky moves, all the money I lost, all the money I gained. It's just back and forth always. But like I was saying, the risk reward, that's what you come out on top with. Now if I lose 200 bucks here, but if I make 1,000 bucks there, boom, that's the risk reward win. That's the type that I trade, and my social research investing, that's what pulls me to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's keep on getting rich.